When Jharcraft was started, we at first concentrated more on the production part, and then there was a time when we had a whole lot of products and the marketing was really slow. Whatever was selling well in the market, we were just trying to produce that thing. But while the time it was actually in the market, the fashion was gone.
India is home to more than 1.2 billion people, 700 to 800 million of whom live in rural villages. Women form the backbone of these Indian communities. They work from early morning to late evening, running the household and providing food for their families. But most of them lack an independent income. And income means sending their daughters to school. It gives women a voice and influence and sets a good example for their daughters.
We are standing here to change the lives of the people. So the four-word goal which we defined was creating opportunities and changing lives of the tribal artisans of the state.
My background is retail, and what I find out in the last years that I'm working for Women on Wings is that my broad background in the retail, where you work with production, with design, with distribution, with sales, with procurement, with everything, is that helps you in being a good consultant for the companies who most work in the supply chain for retailers as well.
So what we are doing is we are supporting the poor farmers in plantation of tasser, silk and trees. Plantation we help, and we are supporting with the help of the state government. We are providing them all sorts of training, all basic inputs they need, and then we give them each and every small and whatever requirement is there, we give them. And after the training is over, they are self-dependent and they become self-dependent and they start of their own.
Women on Wings strives to create 1 million jobs for women in rural parts of India by 2018. This is done by encouraging, developing and improving economic activity. Opportunities are often within arm's reach, but business expertise is not always present.
Actually, it's not retail proof, but I think to make the consumer proof, customer proof, to make them from a production-driven company into a customer-driven company, market-driven company.
Women on Wings works with local entrepreneurs in various states, entrepreneurs with social objectives. For example, with Jharcraft, a silk, textile and handicrafts producer in the state of Jharkhand. Women on Wings support Jharcraft by providing business knowledge.
That gives me the opportunity to share my knowledge, which I gained in the last 30 years with the clients of Women on Wings.
Jharcraft creates job opportunities for women according to ancient local traditions. Women in rural India are extremely skilled manual labourers. They are masters of weaving and embroidery, but their products don't always sell. Women on Wings connects the power of women's hands with the global marketplace.
The work I do here at Jharcraft is for marketing, and I have been associated with Jharcraft since 5 years now.
Women on Wings shares experts who induce and inspire the management with business strategy, marketing and sales skills, supports the company grow faster and create more jobs for women.
We all were busy doing our own jobs and we were not actually a team.
For inspiration, we can go for elements. What are the elements of Diwali? Diyas,
Lights and all.
lights,
Yeah.
rangoli. So that we can convert it saris, so we can use like that only. And yeah.
So now we are analyzing and we are doing some research work so that we are able to forecast what would be in future demand, so that whatever we are producing at present would be in demand when the products are actually into the market.
What would we do directly with our clients? We support them in making the right decisions and to build the right organization to achieve the change from product-driven to a market-driven company. It's a kind of a fusion of Western practice and the theory and the practice from the market here in India. And if we merge these two together, I think we have the ideal recipe for successful business in India. Because it's not only focusing on the domestic market, it's also looking for quality levels and standards that can match with the export market as well.
When we join together or when we merge with each other, so it is many new ideas come and new ideas and how to implement all those ideas, how to execute it. So those things become very easy for us. Women on Wings have supported in a large way because they have helped us they have provided us the expertise in marketing, branding, promotion, promotional strategies and all. We are not complete in all aspects. But whatever lacuna is there, you people advise us very nicely and you can suggest us that no, these things can be done in this way.
So Women on Wings, when they associated with us, they told us how to do the right marketing, how can we make our marketing activities more consumer oriented and not the product oriented.
My motivation to be involved with Women on Wings is, for one thing, is that I strongly believe that if we want to bring change in India, we have to provide a job to a woman, because then we know that it will benefit the family, it will benefit the community, so the impact will be high.
Women on Wings gives women wings. By the end of 2013, Women on Wings created 100,000 jobs for women in rural India. This means 250,000 children in school and 250,000 children who receive at least 2 meals a day. If you feel inspired, please visit womenonwings.com to find out how you can contribute towards 1 million jobs by 2018.